Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Muhammad Arif Martadinata, NPM 223121010. I'm class E 2020 DX. Okay, I'm presenting topic divide and conquer. Conquer. Okay, first, what is the divide and conquer? An effective approach to design fast algorithm in sequential computation is the method known as divide and conquer strategy divide. A problem to be solved is broken into a number of sub-problems of the same problem as original problems. Conquer the sub-problems, then solve it independently, usually recursively. Combine, finally, the solution to sub-problems are combined to provide the answer to original problem. Classic example. Sorting algorithm, merge sort and quick sort. Purpose, divide and conquer can be used successful in parallel computation. Derive efficient parallel algorithm by using divide and conquer algorithm. Parallel computation model. PRAM. Parallel random access machine. An abstract machine for designing the algorithm applicable to parallel computer. Instruction ER exclusive read CR concurrent AV exclusive read CV concurrent read searching. Problem given a file of and record with the each record consisting of first a key field containing an integer CSI to several other data field contain information. RAM binary source algorithm RAM binary source. Okay. Okay. Next, cells on the RAM. Assume the file of record is stored in the shared memory of a RAM with processor P1, P2, P, and where one and suppose no then and the sequence is updated into an subsequence of lengths. Is the processor PI is assigning the subsequent. The algorithm is as follows. First, all process read A to process PI for ways perform algorithm run binary search on the assigned substance. Third, those process PI for words. Parallel binary search. In the parallel binary search, there are n processor and we can extend binary search to become n plus 1 by search. The algorithm will consist of several stages. At each stage, the sequence still under consideration is divided into n plus 1 subsequent of equal length. The end processor simulation tests all the elements at the boundary between edges subscript for equality with X. The sequence is assumed to be short from left to right in molecular order. Parallel binary search, pseudocode. Comparison, RAM search, sequential executed by single processor time complexity. Zero log-in, searching on the prem, sequential execute by several process of an processor, time complexity, zero log-n and prem search parallel binary search parallelly execute by an processor, time at complexity zero log-n. Comparison result zero log-n 0 log n and 0 log n. Conclusion from source. Parallel binary search is most efficient algorithm among these the searching algorithm. Merging. Suppose the two sequence of number x and y are given a source in non-descending order with the problem of managing x and y calls for creating for these two sequence a third sequence of number, all sort into non-decreasing order, shows that each element of x and each element of y appears exactly when in z, making a short sequence. From computing the convex hull, compute the convex hull of a set of points in the plan, like key, key1, key2, key n, the infinite sequence representing endpoints the plan. The convex hull of key denote key hey, key hits is the convex file again with the small area contained. All the points of key. Thus, each key I belong to key either lays inside key hits key or is a kernel of key hits. Peran convexual algorithm peran convexual. Step 1, sort the points of key by their coordinates. Step 2, partition key into and 1 bagi 2 subset key 1 key 2 key and 1 bagi 2 separat by vertical length such the key I is to the left. Key J if 1 kurang dari C. Step 3 for I sampai dengan 1 to and bagi 2 to the parallel. Merging asset disjoint polygons. Let U and V be the points of key with smalls and rex x coordinate. Convex hull key hits key consists of two parts. The upper hull, the sequence of corner of key is key in clockwise order from U to V. The lower hull, the sequence of corner of key is in clockwise order from V to U. Computing rectangles when the upper lower common tangent key of G he and G key G. The is star and segment win and point G and E. Tangent to G he at G and G at the at me. In the V, the upper lower pool of G is G, when the upper common G is. Okay. Question: among the three algorithms below for the searching problem, searching of the prime search. Question first: which one the search sequentially execute? Which one is party sequence execute? And which one is parallel execute? Question 2, which one is the most efficiency algorithm among these three algorithms with the complexity? As for first, RAM search is sequentially execute searching on the prime a parallel sequence execute prime search is parallelly execute. Answer to prime search is the most efficient algorithm among these three algorithms is the time complexity is 0 log n. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.